Welcome to the Ag Analytics Collaboratory. As an agricultural data scientist with a background in open source coding, I like to use SAS via Workbench to complete my work. SAS via Workbench is a cloud-based application designed for developers and data scientists. It's accessed through your browser on a desktop. Within the Workbench, you can manage your own environment without additional IT support. You can spin up or spin down the environment on demand and even choose between the compute power needed for your project. One cool thing is that you can choose whatever environment you'd like to open it up in, from Jupyter Notebook to JupyterLab, even Visual Studio Code, which is going to be my selection. I already have my Workbench open, so let's go over to Visual Studio Code. One really cool thing about this is I can choose to code in a few different languages. There's your traditional SAS programming, or also Python. So here is a Jupyter Notebook with Python code doing an API call from NASA Power. Stay tuned as I dive into that API a bit more and understand exactly how we can break down that URL and start working with time series weather data.